Ngayon naman ang pag-aaralan natin ay parts of speech, particularly the possessive nouns. Possessive noun. The possessive form of a noun can show possession, ownership o pagmamayari, or the general relationship between two nouns. Add an apostrophe and s to form the possessive of any singular noun. Kapag singular daw, dadagdagan natin ng apostrophe symbol and s. Even one that already ends in s. Even may s na siya. Apostrophe pa rin and with s. Use an apostrophe alone to form the possessive of a plural noun that ends in s. Kapag nag-ending na sa s at plural noun yon, then we won't need another s but apostrophe alone. Let's see. Analyzing this examples. The kitten's tail. Ang kitten ay one or two. One. So, dinagdagan siya ng apostrophe and s. The kitten's tail. Ang buntot daw ng puting. Her dress color. Her dress is color. So, even meron siyang s dito, pero dahil ang plural form niya ay dresses, kaya dadagdagan natin ng apostrophe and s para maipakita na ito ay isang dress at pagmamayari nito nung sinasabing her. Her dress's color. The wife's speech. The cookie's decoration. The story's villain. And the watch's battery. Now, let's proceed to the plural s, or plural possessive rather. The kitten's tails. So, dahil may s, ibig sabihin yan, marami na raw yung kitten. So, kittens na siya. Ang dinagdag na lang natin ay ang apostrophe. Her dresses, colors. Ang dresses ay marami at nagtatapos ito sa letter S. So, we only have to add apostrophe kasi may S na siya at plural noun na. The wives' speeches. Ang singular ng wives ay wife at ang plural ng wife ay wives. Naturally, nagtatapos siya sa S. Kaya naman, dadagdagan lang natin siya ng apostrophe dahil plural na siya. The cookies decorations. Cookies with S, then apostrophe. The stories, villains, apostrophe only, and the watches, batteries, apostrophe only. Cause plural na siya. Again, kahit nagtatapos iyan sa S hanggat hindi yan plural, tulad ng dress, nagtatapos sa S, pero hindi pa plural, magdadagdag pa rin tayo ng apostrophe and S. Let's proceed. Possessive noun. Add an apostrophe and S to form the possessive of a plural noun that does not end in S. Add an apostrophe, yung symbol natin kanina like this one, and S to form the possessive of a plural noun that does not end in S. The oxen's stalls. The children's books. Ibig sabihin tulad nito, children. Ang kanyang singular form ay child. However, ang plural form ng noun ng child ay children. So, dadagdagan pa rin at kahit plural na siya, dahilan na hindi siya nagtatapos sa S, kailangan natin mag-add ng apostrophe and S. The women's trophies. Ano ba ang singular ng woman? It is woman. So, nagtatapos ba siya sa S? Hindi. Kaya kailangan, kung woman, women ang plural, kailangan natin ng apostrophe and ng another S or S para maipakita na ang trophies na to ay pagmamayari ng women or maraming babaeng ito. Ano man yung tinutukoy niya. That is the possessive noun. Let's practice. Possessive nouns. Rewrite each phrase below using the possessive form of noun in parentheses. Rewrite daw. So, pause the video, take the time answering this on your paper para mas naiintindihan nyo. And let's proceed. Let's try answering this ng raw para maipakita sa inyo. Para raw na raw yung makikita kung paano natin gagawin. The woman banquet. Oh, that's wrong spell. Number 2, Shauna's. Let's add apostrophe and an S. Talent. Chef Lorenzen, apostrophe and S. Recipe. 4th is the building. Oh, dahil ba lang S and it's not plural, add apostrophe and S. Location. And the books. Oh, it's plural already. So we only have to add apostrophe titles. Mr. Sims with S siya, so apostrophe na lang, accident. 7 is Congress. This is singular, but it ends with S. So we have to add S, apostrophe and S. Congress's schedule. 8. The children. This is already plural. However, we need an S. So, apostrophe and S. Fever. So, hindi tayo maglalagay ng children's tapos tsaka lang apostrophe. No, o autocorrection na agad ni PowerPoint. Alfonso. Alfonso's job. And the number 10, the orange seeds. Okay? Did you get the correct answers? Congratulations if you did. This is the possessive nouns. Walang paligoy-ligoy, matuto tayo agad. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Get it done. Get it done, get it done, get it down to learn all about if it's about grammar, cleaning, minimalism, and everything. Thank you. God bless.